Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below for your convenience. This review reflects my personal experience using Fast5kLoans. Join me as we delve into a comprehensive overview of Fast5kLoans Express Loans. This video will explore the platform's key features, discuss who it's best suited for, and share my overall user experience. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to decide if Fast5kLoans is the right choice for you. Fast5kLoans operates as an online lending platform, acting as a bridge between borrowers and lenders. It facilitates quick and easy loans of up to $5,000. The application process is entirely online and refreshingly straightforward, requiring only a few minutes of your time. Upon submitting your application, Fast5kLoans' intelligent system matches you with a suitable lender based on your specific financial profile and eligibility. If approved, you can typically expect the funds to be deposited directly into your bank account within one business day. This rapid turnaround makes Fast5kLoans an excellent option for covering urgent expenses like unexpected medical bills, necessary car repairs, or other unforeseen financial emergencies. One of the standout features of Fast5kLoans is its accessibility. The platform welcomes individuals with a wide spectrum of credit scores, even those with less than perfect credit histories. Instead of relying solely on traditional credit scoring, Fast5kLoans considers a broader range of factors, including income and demonstrated repayment ability. This inclusive approach sets it apart from many conventional lending institutions. Fast5kLoans offers flexible loan amounts, ranging from a modest $100 up to a maximum of $5,000. The specific amount you qualify for depends on your individual financial circumstances and the terms offered by the lender you're matched with. Repayment periods are generally designed to be manageable and vary depending on the loan, often allowing you to pay back the loan in installments. It's essential to carefully review the terms and conditions, including interest rates and any associated fees, before accepting a loan offer, as these can differ between lenders. This service is particularly well suited for individuals who require immediate financial assistance and value a streamlined, hassle-free application process. It's crucial to understand that Fast5kLoans functions as a connector, linking borrowers with lenders, rather than being the direct lender itself. Consequently, the specific terms and conditions of your loan will be determined by the lender you are ultimately paired with. In summary, Fast5kLoans presents a dependable solution for accessing quick cash when you need it most. It prioritizes convenience, speed, and offers lending options for a diverse range of financial situations. If you're considering utilizing this service, I encourage you to explore the links provided in the description below to begin your application today.